In this week's AMT Fresh Produce outlook on the market, we expect potato prices to stay on a high level, while avocado prices may soon trend upwards as well. All in this week's video, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Johnny and welcome to this week's AMT Fresh Produce outlook on the market, made possible by Standard Bank. These videos are aimed at keeping you up to date with the latest trends and news in the fresh produce markets of South Africa. To stay up to date with the latest news and trends, subscribe to the AMT YouTube page and also follow us on Facebook. Demand is expected to recover slightly this week, which may support especially vegetable prices going forward. The potato price, however, decreased last week by 2% to 43.27 Rand per 10 kilogram bag due to slightly lower demand. Low volumes will most likely support these prices to stay on an upward trend at least until the middle of August. The colder weather may also result in some producers to enter the market slightly earlier than usual, which may result in prices to rather trend sideways. Again, we saw higher tomato volumes delivered last week, resulting in the price to decrease by 6% week on week to 6.38 Rand per kilogram. Volumes will most likely increase for the moment, which will put pressure on these prices. We may see tomato prices to stay on a lower level for the coming 2 months or so due to these higher volumes. The carrot price decreased by 12% last week to 3.37 Rand per kilogram due to higher volumes on the market. High demand may support the price this week, however, but remain on a lower level due to higher expected volumes. The onion price stayed on 5.22 Rand per kilogram last week, although higher volumes were seen on most markets. Prices may trend sideways for the time being. Other vegetable prices traded as follows. Cabbages on 3.35 Rand. The latest garlic price increasing by 118.01 Rand per kilogram due to a 38% decrease in volumes on the markets. The latest spinach price traded on 3.77 Rand, sweet potatoes on 3.98 Rand, and peppers on 11.30 Rand per kilogram. We have seen that the banana price decreased by 5% to 7.23 Rand per kilogram last week due to a 12% increase in volumes. Demand is expected to recover this week, which may give some support to this price. Colder weather is still affecting volumes delivered to the markets for the time being. The latest apple and pear prices traded sideways on 6.78 Rand and 6.93 Rand per kilogram respectively last week. We are expecting prices for both these products to start picking up gradually soon due to slightly lower volumes. Although demand for oranges recovered last week, the price still decreased by 5% to 3.94 Rand per kilogram, with very low quality fruit currently affecting this price. We are still expecting prices to gain some momentum within the next few weeks as volumes may start to decrease very soon. Although avocado volumes increased last week, demand stayed very strong and resulted in the price to trade sideways on 14.05 Rand per kilogram. We are expecting more volumes this week, but longer term we are still expecting volumes to start decreasing in about 2 to 3 weeks time, when we may see prices improving from there on out. The pineapple price is currently almost 200% higher compared to a month ago on 20.61 Rand per kilogram. This is mostly due to higher demand on the market due to the alcohol ban at the moment, with slightly lower volumes also pushing these prices upwards. Other fruit prices traded as follows. Grapes on 79.39 Rand and the latest lemon price on 5.47 Rand per kilogram. To stay up to date with the latest prices and news in the fresh produce markets of South Africa, subscribe to the AMT YouTube page and also follow us on Facebook. This broadcast was of course made possible by Standard Bank.